So those of you guys are new here, hi, welcome, like, subscribe. And I just wanted to come here, say hi, and just like put in a bit of an update. So I did not film like all of January. I filmed few things. I had like a few issues. My camera was not working and my phone's camera just like got destroyed, and I just cannot film stuff with my phone anymore. Like, not if I film stuff with my phone, it is going to be like super blurry. So it's just like too much stuff, and my studio was in a mess. And now it's like getting back to normal, but I have a few days. I'm going to be traveling this month, and I just want to get like as much stuff edited before that. I hope I can do that. I hope I will do that. I always say this, but I know myself too well. By the way, if you guys can tell my voice, I got some cold and wasn't really well for the past few, like a week or so. So now I'm getting better. I'm getting back into working more. So that is why this vlog is coming later than usual. I did not film a lot, so this is like a shorter vlog. But still, I just want to talk about all the books that I read. Of course, I'm going to talk about the books because they are just like, ah. So first, let's talk about the reading goal for 2024. It is 100 books. I know I can do it. I think I will do even more than 100. I'm not really sure, but we're going to keep the sweet spot for 100 so far. Because I read like 46 books last year, I just want to push myself a little more. And in that sense of pushing myself, I have already read 14 books. Like, I listen to audiobooks, I read on my Kindle, and I read physical copies. So that's why I just like, there are sometimes like 2 books going on at one point. I am just doing this for fun. So don't think of me like a booktube channel or something. I don't know how to give detailed reviews or anything. There's like, I like this stuff, so I'm just going to put it in my vlog kind of channel. So don't mind me if I do. I don't think like I will be talking in detail about the books that I've been reading, because it's just like after a while it just gets too much. There are like a few books that you're reading that are like not the ones that you want to put out there, like, oh okay, I read this. But if you are still curious, you can go check my Goodreads account. I just add all the stuff that I'm reading there, and I also put like a few notes or something in my like book descriptions. I don't know what you call those things, but yeah. So it's been fun for a while. It is 1st of February, but I don't know like where January went. It went by so fast. It was so cold, man. I could not do anything. So I hope I can, fingers crossed, this year turns out better for the YouTube stuff, because I actually have been doing this for so long now. Like, not as long as many people, but still long enough that I feel like I deserve a result now. Just putting it out there. Give me the views, give me the love. More than the views, I think I want a community. So let's build that. Write some comments and we can talk about it, talk about stuff, talk about anything. If you want, we can even make a Discord channel. I am not sure what to do, so if you guys are active enough, I can think of something that we can do. Maybe start a book club with people who don't know how to describe the books better than, like, oh my god, I loved it. Then just talk about and go crazy over characters that don't exist in real life. You know who to hit up. So anyway, just like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.